Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we have a very beautiful stitch and very easy. It's basically one row repeat. I'm going to use two colors, but you can make it with one or with as many colors as you like. I'm going to show you on a small swatch, so I'm going to chain 33 chains, but depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 5 plus 8 additional chains. So let's begin making our chains. Okay, now I have my chains. You can see how small my swatch is going to be. Let's start with row 1. We have to make 3 double crochet. We have to start from the 5th chain from the hook. So let's yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go in there and make the first double crochet. Then 2 more in the next 2 chains. Okay, like this. Then chain 2. We have to skip the next 2 chains, and in the next chain 1 double crochet followed by 2 more. Okay, like this. Chain 2 again. We're skipping these 2 chains here, going into the next one, 1 double crochet, and then 2 more. When you reach the end, make 4 double crochets in the last 4 chains. Now for row 2, chain 3 and turn. We're going to work around this double crochet here. We have to make 3 back post double crochets. So yarn over, go behind the double crochet like this, take the yarn and make 1 double crochet. Yarn over again behind the stitch, second double crochet, and one more time the third double crochet. Chain 2. Now we're moving on to the next group of double crochet. This time we're going to work around the first double crochet. Yarn over, go behind it like this, one double, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochets. Okay, chain 2. Now let's go on to the next group of double crochet. Yarn over, go behind the first double crochet and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. and this is how it's looking on the front. So you have to make 3 back post double crochets in each of the first stitches of these groups. When you reach the last group of double crochet, you have to work again around the first stitch. So let's make again 3 back post double crochet, like this, and then to finish the row 1 double crochet in the chain at the end, right here. And here is how it's looking so far. Before we start with row 3, we have to change the colors, so I'm going to finish this last double crochet that we made with the new color. And then chain 3 and turn. Now here the groups of back post double crochets which we made at row 2. Now we have to work around the first of each group to make 3 back post double crochet. So again, going behind the stitch and around it we're going to make 3 back post double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, then going around the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, then going around the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and so on, continue until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the row we have to work again around the first double crochet of the group. So we're going to make our 3 back post double crochets there. And to finish the row, 1 double crochet in the stitch at the end. Like this. We are going to continue with row 4 with the same yarn, chain 3 and turn. And again we have to work around the first double crochet of each group, going behind it to make another group of back post double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, then chain 2, and then moving to the next double crochet, going behind it to make the next 3 back post double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, and chain 2. This row we're going to finish the same way as the other ones, with double crochet in the stitch at the end. So I'm not going to finish the double crochet with this color, I'm going to switch to the other, like this. And now row 5 is absolutely the same. We have to chain 3, turn, and we have to start working on each of these stitches to make the next group of back post double crochets. You have to work with the same color row 5 and then go back row 6, and at the end of row 6 chain again with this one. From now on the rows are the same and the steps are repeating themselves, so the only thing you have to keep up if you are using more than one color is to change the color every 2 rows. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and find this video useful. Let me know what kind of stitches you would like to see in the future. Do you enjoy more simple stitches where you can follow them more easily, or you want to challenge yourself with something more complex? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!